MI's Live Music Event Production Program, or LMEP, was built to get you up and running the day you graduate. With the abundance of venues, outdoor festivals, amphitheaters, corporate events, house band setups, and music tours, employment demands in the live sound industry are surging. And the Live Music Event Production Program is designed to prepare students for the rigors of the industry by taking on a holistic approach to the skills and knowledge needed to be successful. The program focuses on practical hands-on live music scenarios with advanced curricular requirements in areas like live mixing and recording playback, networking audio, audio-video wireless and broadcasting, console operations, and lighting. Students in LMEP are also taught about the business side of live music, including tour and venue management and all aspects of planning to execution for live shows and events. A highlight includes the program's capstone course, the Live Music Workshop. In this course, students participate in a weekly live music show consisting of hands-on setups and teardowns with equipment and roles related to audio, video, lighting, cameras, as well as various music acts. With a heavy focus on technical skills, these mock shows teach teamwork and communication in a live performance environment and situation. Another highlight is that LMEP students are able to book our venues to practice on student bands, mix, or present a show themselves. For these hands-on live sound events, fellow MI performance players act as on-stage talent, highlighting the unique collaboration opportunities available at MI. Whether you're looking to work for a large-scale live sound company, tour with a band, or set up small-scale family and friend live events, we have everything you need to up your live sound game to the next level.